The idea of a robot methodically hunting you down isn't the most pleasant of concepts. A metal-bodied being zooming after you at up to 25 miles per hour with multiple eyes fixed on your location seems out of your best interest. The Skydio R1 drone seems friendly enough, though I wouldn't call it loving or cute by any means. But it really just wants to keep up with you and ensure it captures your great life moments with its big blue eye. What makes the $2,500 Skydio R1 special is that it doesn't need a pilot, it flies itself. What makes the $2,500 Skydio R1 special is that it doesn't need a pilot, it flies itself. The drone uses 12 of its 13 onboard cameras to rapidly map the environment around it, sensing obstacles and people as it quickly plans and readjusts its flight path. That means you can launch the thing and go for a walk, or go explore nature, or go biking, and the R1 will follow you with ease, never losing sight of you as it tries to keep up with you and capture the perfect shot in 4K. That was the company's sales anyway. I got my hand on one a few weeks ago to test it myself, and I've come to the conclusion that this drone is in fact the smartest drone on the planet. The R1 has a number of autonomous modes to track users as it zips around. Not only can the drone follow you, it also can predict your path and wander in front of you. It can orbit around you as you move or follow along the side. You can do all this by just tapping a mode, launching the drone and moving along. There are options for manual controls if you desire, but the R1 eschews the bulky drone controller for a simple single-handed control system on the Skydio app on your phone. The app is incredibly simple and offers a wide range of tracking modes that are pretty breezy to swipe through. Setting the drone up for the first flight was as simple as connecting to the drone via password and gliding through a couple of minutes of instructional content in the app. You can launch it off the ground or from your hand. I opted for the hand launch most times, which powers up the propellers until it's tugging away from you, flying out a couple of meters and fixing its eye on you.